Okay, so how are you doing today? Today we have a CD player model CDP-211 made by Sony, and it has no line fuse in it for overcurrent protection in the AC primary. So I'm going to show you step by step how to put one in, but only do this after you consult with a authorized service center. Okay, so the first thing we'll do here is we'll take a look at our plug here. See, one side is wider, that's the neutral side. That side is narrow, and that's the live side, and that's the side that's all black. The side that's neutral is all white. So we're going to take and unplug this little cord from the board here. And we will separate our cord where it goes down through here. And we'll just set this back in here. And we'll cut it right over the hole where the fuse is going to go. Well, I wonder how that bee got in there. Okay, so we will take our sandpaper here, our fuse block, and we'll just kind of rough up the side that we're going to solder the wires to, just so we get a better solder flow and better connection. Okay, so we can strip our wires here. We'll twist our strands together here. This is our rosin flux. This is the rosin core solder. So I put the wire through the hole in the back here, make sure all the strands go through. Take my pliers, I go bend it down, bend it up. I'll take my flux, put some flux on the top and on the bottom here. Okay, I cleaned the tip of my soldering iron there. So this is called drop soldering. I heat the terminal and the wire. Boy, that's a nice, beautiful solder joint. I like that. I'll turn it over. It's a nice clean joint on that side. Now I'll strip this side. Again, we'll twist our strands together here, get them all together nice and tight. I'll turn this way. Put the wire through the hole, make sure all the strands go through. Take my pliers, then I'll shape the wire so it's the way it should be. I'll take the soldering wire, dip it into some flux here, put some flux on the bottom and on the top. I'll put some solder on my iron. I will heat the terminal and the wire. Boy, I get a nice clean solder joint there. I'll turn it over. I got a nice flow through. So now we're all done with this flux here, so we can close this up. Okay, this is a PVC divider here to separate the electrical. See the rivets on the bottom of this block? I don't want them to touch the metal here, so I'm going to put this piece of separating PVC in here. That is made to prevent contact with the So we'll mount this down into the hole here. We'll put our nut on. Get all nice and straightened out so it's all nice and neat there. Okay, so now we can plug this power cord back in, put our 1/2 amp fuse in, there is a close-up of my soldering and putting it in after it's all done. Okay, so I guess we'll turn it on and okay, I'm going to make sure it's off before I plug it in. Turn it on. The fuse did not blow, so we'll open the drawer. Put our disc in. Close it. Hit play. I'll turn off the lights so we might be able to see the laser pickup from the side. But you can see it is reading and playing the disc. I'm not putting the audio through because of the copyright. But you can see the counter. It is counting, but it skipped because I stood it up on end. But you can see it is reading and playing the disc. Thanks for watching.